Guys, look at this. This is a voice amplifier. A voice amplifier. This is such a cool product. Such a cool product. I was sent this product to review. I was like, what is a voice amplifier? I don't know, but look at what it is. This is the base piece of it right here. So think about this. Say you're a tour guide or you're teaching class or something like that, and you need to get your voice out there, not quite big enough to be a speaker of any sort or a sound system, but it's loud enough for you to get your point across. So it comes with these cool mics. So here is the base of it here. And this is by WinBridge. Yes, WinBridge voice amplifier. That's what it's called. And you get 2 mics. Look, 2 mics right here. Yes, 2 mics. There is a carrying strap to put it around your waist and everything like that. All right. And of course you get your headsets. These are your headsets that your mics fit on. You get 2 of these, right? 2 of these, like so. So we're going to take one of our mics, like this one here. Take one of our mics, and then we're going to put our mic onto the headset. So you see it's got a little groove in there, and that's got a little groove in there, and then you just kind of position it on the deal and it locks in place. So there you have this, right? So now I am all mic'd up, and then I'm ready to go. Now there's no listening of any sort because this is just going on my head right here. So there I am. Okay, so this guy is wireless. Yes, it's wireless. So I'm going to power it on, and it's already charged. You heard that? So now listen to, we're going to hear it right here. So let me make sure. Oh, I got to turn it on over here. Let me make sure I have it turned on. Here, this has a power button, and it's going to link right to this. Okay. So this is the amplifier. Your tour is starting right now. Please join me at the bus. Okay. So it's got volume on here like that. You can bring it up like this. Hey, children, we are now leaving. So think about this. Think about this. Let me turn it down. So think about having something like this for your classroom. You're going on a field trip, or you're doing a presentation in a small room where there's really not a sound system, but you need to get the word out. This is going to work. Look, you guys, and it has a little clip here for you to stick on your clothes somewhere. You know, put that on there, or you can do your strap and put it around your neck or something like that. Now what I did notice here is there is another spot to plug a mic in, so someone else could plug in another mic if they wanted to. So I want to see if both of these work with it. So I'm going to open up the second mic here, so 2 people can have a setup here. So it could be a double setup for you and someone else. So they come in here, you get 2. This is just such a cool thing that wasn't around. You know, I can see one of my teachers really needing something like this to help them out with something. Like even if you're in a stage play and the sound system's not on and the director just needs to give notes at the end, you know, the sound system's already been turned off. So, and the guys are already gone. You have this little tool to take it with you. So just turn that one on. So let's see. They both work with it. So there's one. Let's turn this one on. There's another one. So yeah, they both work with it, and they all have the same volume up and down. So let me turn that up. Hello, hello, hello. Gotta be too close to the mic. Can't be too close to it on that high of frequency. Okay? Turn it back down. This is so cool. I love this. So you have 2 mics here, and they're USB-C chargeable. Yes, USB chargeable. You just charge the mics up. This is also USB-C chargeable to charge up the base. Yeah. And you're good to go. And then you get a USB chargeable cable. Now, this is one of those cables that has the double USB-Cs on the end, so you can charge them at the same time. That kind of thing. So, I'm just so excited about this product. This is a great product. So, guys, there you have it. Another wonderful product. Tested and approved by Kalo Star's favorite things. Go get one of these. Bye. You have a wonderful day.